Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel known as Media House. See, today I'll be going to teach you how to prepare a mouth-watering gulab jamuns. What are the following ingredients we require in order to prepare a mouth-watering gulab jamun? Let us see. See, here as of now I have taken an MTR gulab jamun. This is the flour which is of MTR gulab jamun mix, and then the same proportionate of sugar we are supposed to take. How much you will be going to take the flour, the same amount of sugar you are supposed to take, and the same amount of water you are supposed to add for sugar in order to prepare a kshira, that is known as sugar syrup. Here and all the sugar melts and mixes with water. Meanwhile, we will be going to mix the flour, whatever I have shown, with the help of milk. See, we are supposed to keep on mixing the flour in order to make. Now let us mix this gulab jamun powder by adding milk until and unless it turns into dough. See, now after mixing with milk, the dough whatever I have prepared looks like this. This is the required dough we have prepared as of now. Now we are supposed to make this dough into small spheres or small balls in order to drop into the oil. See, now all the sugar is melted with this water whatever we have used. See, now after all the sugar have been melted with water, now you are supposed to filter this sugar syrup in order to free from the dust whatever it is deposited from the sugar. See, now I am filtering the sugar syrup in order to free the dust which have been deposited gulab jamun mix. See, now in order to prepare a small balls from the dough, I have taken the small amount of dough like this, and initially I have applied a ghee. This is ghee which have been applied on the plate. I have whatever the piece you have cut from the knife, take like this and gently roll like this. You people are supposed to gently roll in between your two palms. See, if you apply a more pressure and roll, so the density of the dough will be going to increase. If the density of the dough increases, it can't able to absorb the syrup properly. That's why gently roll like this, and see, now it have been converted into a ball or a sphere like this. You are supposed to see, now whatever the syrup we have filtered have been heated for 15 minutes. Heat the syrup for 15 minutes, and later on I am going to add now some elaichi powder. Add some elaichi powder. See, after adding the elaichi powder, the sugar syrup density will be like this. See, now take each and every ball and roll once, and then dip into the oil which have been heated in the kadai. You are supposed to heat the oil in the kadai, and later on you are supposed to dip into the oil which have been heated. See, now whenever you dip like this, all the balls will be going to start boiling, and then it will be see, now finally, after soaking all the fried balls into the sugar syrup, all these fried balls after some times, that is after 4 hours, it have been absorbed the sugar syrup and have been increased in its size. So you can see over there. Now let me taste the jamun and tell you. Wow, it's very soft and it is very smooth. Wow, it's delicious. Before I taste the jamun, my mouth was watering, and sugar proportion whatever we have taken is also with right proportion. It is very soft. It's awesome. I hope that even you people also will be going to try this. Goodbye.